Hey mama, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with NADULA. They went ahead and sent me this absolutely gorgeous curly wig unit. It is a Jerry Curly Balayage blonde black wig unit in 24 inches, and as you guys can see, the contrast with the black and the blonde is everything. I'm loving the balayage throughout this wig. It's super precise and accurate, and so far so good. I'm loving this hair. Smells amazing using the conditioner and water method, and I went ahead and diffused this wig, so I'll show you guys how I gluelessly installed this wig so it is able to come up at night. You don't have to have that extra commitment of keeping a wig on for long. All you have to do is literally just get the rat tail comb, just run it across the lace, and that way this wig is gonna just be able to come up so easily. Enough of me rambling. I speak so much more about this wig, the shedding, and all that you need to know about this gorgeous unit from NADULA Hair. So if you'd like to see how I quickly install this glueless wig, just keep on watching and let's jump into today's video.
I'm out there for all the edges, BBS. I keep it happy and I do what make me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed. Self-preservation, self-elevation, these kind of things, baby, serve celebration. No hesitation, no reservation, go for the big leagues, no relegation. Let's celebrate life, kick back and take life, and give thanks to the source that create life. To see a sunset, or see a sunrise, and see my son born with these same eyes. To see my son smile bright in every gray sky. He's going so fast, that's why every day I give it 100, last about 90. Praise the Almighty, the Father Almighty. Trying to fool me, but I didn't pray for my enemies, I'm truly, and I didn't pray for my kids like my mercy. Pray for the friends I lost, I pray you never see no loss. Yeah, so I'm pressure, every time to pressure. I don't see where pressure make my life go. Yeah, so make me live your life, judging me regret. I'm with my pressure, I got it, I still get control. My brother think you know, wherever I did you see, I believe I'm gonna know. Hustle every day, I really try to take control. Never by the money, man, I'm staying in my zone. Things that go really, really make me down tonight. See, I don't wanna talk about the things that go break me down tonight. See, I just wanna hold on to my God, everybody bitch, you cool me down. See, I just wanna hold on to my God, everybody bitch, you cool me down. I keep it happy and I do what makes me happy, and nobody can deny me that I'm blessed. Around the edges, BBS. I keep it happy and I do what makes me happy, and nobody can deny me that.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look, and I am loving this wig. It is nice and full. I'm living for the curl pattern this Jerry Curly is eating, and I just did some really light dramatic baby hairs, and it's just working in my favor because they're not really showing up that much, but when I push the hair back or form it to how it should be, it's gonna give, like, you know, she did something, like she did her edges just a little bit, and I love the curl pattern. I've been talking about it, and this blonde contrast on top of this hair is absolutely stunning, and so far so good. this is the amount of shedding I got, and I got this brush specifically for this purpose because what I want to do is to be able to show you how much hair exactly shedded from this unit, which is definitely not a lot. When the girls wrap it up like so, it's really not that much because I did pluck this unit and I did not comb it all the way through, as well as, you know, the original detangling of a hair, you are gonna get the most shedding because, you know, when it's machine wefted, you have some hairs that aren't perfectly wefted onto the track, so you find that it'll have some sort of initial shedding. Curly hair is known to shed, but I'm loving this wig unit. The density is really nice and natural, and it's not super thick and overpowering, and I live in Florida. It is hot here, okay? So this is absolutely perfect for where I live. And if you'd like to get your hands on this gorgeous unit, which I would highly recommend to do, it is really nice and butter soft. It's not crunchy, it's really soft, and the curls are just holding up so nice. Just click the links in the description box. The direct link for this gorgeous wig will be there, as well as Nadula's website, so don't forget to go ahead and check that out. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.
NADULA